A very good morning to everyone. In chapter number 3, we have learned till electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity. Today our topic is successive electron gain enthalpy. So what is particularly the electron gain enthalpy? So electron gain enthalpy is nothing but the energy released or absorbed when 1 mole of an electron is added to the neutral gaseous isolated atom. So today we'll learn about successive electron gain enthalpy. What is successive electron gain enthalpy? In one particular element, if you are adding one by one electron, so what will be the energy released or absorbed? For an example, if I am having an element or atom that is M, it is a neutral gaseous isolated atom. You are supposed to add one electron in it. So by gaining one electron, it will form M minus, because add up of electron will give negative sign. So here the energy released is Eg1, electron gain enthalpy 1. So electron gain enthalpy 1 is always and always negative, right? ये एनर्जी कैसी होगी? नेगेटिव. Now from this negative ion, that is M minus 1, you are adding one more electron. So this ion is already having negative charge. The coming electron is also negative. So they will feel repulsion between them. So due to the repulsion, the energy is to be supplied by external. So energy is to be supplied. Therefore, by gaining one more electron, it will form M to the power minus 2 in gases. So this is your electron gain enthalpy 2. But this electron gain enthalpy 2 is your positive. Why it is positive? Because you have supplied energy. And why we need to supply this energy? Because the repulsion will occur. There is already repulsion between the valence electrons, and when more electron tries to enter it, so there will form a repulsion, and due to the repulsion we need to supply the energy. Therefore the second electron gain enthalpy is positive. So the successive electron gain enthalpy, except one, the rest will be positive, and the reason will remain same because of the repulsion. Again, when you are adding in M to the power minus, when you are adding one more electron, again now there is more repulsion, so again you need to give more energy. So energy is supplied, and the atom or the ion will form is M minus 3. Clear? So what we have learned is the first electron gain enthalpy is always negative, and the rest of the electron gain enthalpy are positive because the energy is to be supplied. We have seen the trends. So let us take group 16. 16 group element is oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. So the order should be, yes, electron gain enthalpy should be decreasing down the group. So the order should be like this. The highest energy should be of oxygen, then sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. But this is wrong. Why? The order is, the highest electron gain enthalpy is of sulfur, then selenium, then tellurium, then polonium, and least energy is of oxygen. So why there is least energy in oxygen? Again, we have seen that because of extremely smaller size of oxygen, there will be more repulsion, right? Therefore, oxygen is having least electron affinity in its group. So this is your correct order. One more thing, while comparing electron affinity, when you are comparing electron affinity, the magnitude is considered. What is the magnitude? Positive or negative sign is considered, right? But while comparing electron gain enthalpy, only the electron gain enthalpy, only the sign is considered. So magnitude is considered in electron affinity, right? And electron gain enthalpy will consider sign. Clear? Now the next topic is electronegativity. and then we'll complete our chapter. So what is electronegativity? Electronegativity मतलब क्या? So एक सिंपल सी बात बताओ तो इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी मतलब हड़पना, है ना? अब बोलोगे मैम ये क्या हड़पना बड़पना क्या होता है? I will explain you. What is electronegativity is the tendency of an element to attract the shared pair of electron. Suppose this is element A and this is element B, and they are sharing one electron each and forming a covalent bond. But one of the element is having tendency to attract this shared pair of electron towards it. Is electronegativity. मतलब हुआ क्या? हड़पना ही तो हुआ, because शेयर किया हुआ चीज़ भी उसको अपने पास ही ले लेना है. So that is electronegativity मतलब हड़पना. Tendency of an element to attract shared pair of electron towards it in a covalent bonded compound is known as electronegativity, right? तो अभी तक तो हमने देखा कि न्यूट्रल गैसेस आइसोलेटेड एटम के अंदर से हमने ये सारे आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी है, इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी है, वो सारी चीज़ें हमने न्यूट्रल गैसेस आइसोलेटेड एटम में देखा. But in electronegativity, we always want the atoms covalently bonded. So atoms are covalently bonded. So you will always find electronegativity in a bonded atoms. Clear? So now it is clear what is electronegativity. Now the factors affecting electronegativity. What are the factors affecting electronegativity? So the common factor is size, right? So size is inversely proportional to electronegativity. मतलब जैसे जैसे size बढ़ता जाएगा, so tendency to attract that shared pair of electron will decreases, because down to the group metallic characteristic increases and metals are the donors, right? So electronegativity with the increase in size it will decreases, and it is directly proportional to Z effective. What is Z effective? Nuclear charge, effective nuclear charge. If the effective nuclear charge increases, it means the electronegativity also increases. With the increase in Z effective, the size will collapse, it will get decreases, and while decreasing, it will have more tendency to attract that shared pair of electron. One more thing, that this particular electronegativity does not depend on electronic configuration. It does not depend on electronic configuration. For an example, if I am having two atoms A and B, so electronegativity of A is psi A and electronegativity of B is psi B. What is this psi? Psi is a symbol for electronegativity. So electronegativity of A and electronegativity of B. So the difference in electronegativity will be obtained by electronegativity of A minus electronegativity of B. This is what the electronegativity is. So here we complete our chapter, and in the next lecture we are going to start the mole concept, that is the chapter number 1, some basic concept of chemistry. So be ready, go through this chapter, and I hope it will be more easy for you to calculate or to understand this chapter. Till then, thank you, bye bye, take care.